Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener. Let's see what makes this tool a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. First up, this can opener features a durable, razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel. It effortlessly pierces and smoothly slices through cans, making opening a breeze. Check out the large, easy-to-turn knob. It provides a secure grip so you can open cans with minimal effort. No more struggling in the kitchen. And look at these oversized ergonomic handles. They're designed for maximum comfort and control, ensuring safe and simple use every time. But wait, there's more. This is a two-in-one tool with an integrated bottle opener that makes removing caps a cinch. One tool, multiple uses. Whether it's a small can or a large one, this versatile opener is ready for action. We tested it against other openers, and this one stood out. It's sharper and easier to use, making can opening quicker and more efficient. But we noticed a quirky drawback. It binds halfway through sometimes. It's like it gives up and falls off. A quick reset, and it's back on track. Just a minor hiccup. Overall, the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener is a top contender in kitchen tools. Sharp, versatile, and stylish. It's a game changer. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gadget reviews. See you next time. Buy now, link in the description or first comment.